Rahul Gandhi speaking live. He's in Madurai, remember. Let's listen to what he's saying.
Destroy the cultures of this country. They believe that they can suppress the emotions of the Tamil people. They believe they can crush the language of the Tamil people. They believe that they can suppress the spirit of the Tamil people. I came to give them a message that nobody is going to suppress the Tamil spirit. And there is a reason for it. First of all, the Tamil spirit cannot be suppressed. And second of all, suppressing the Tamil spirit is the worst thing you can do for our country. Because the Tamil spirit, like many other cultures and traditions in this country, are the essence of our country. They are the soul of our country. So I am completely against this idea that there is one particular idea, one particular language, one particular notion in this country. There are many, many different languages, many different ideas, and all these contribute to our strength. So that is my message. I also want to say that I'll be coming back here, not once, numerous times, and I'd like to thank the Tamil people because I learn a lot from them. They teach me about their past and they show me a direction about how the country should move into the future. So I would like to thank them, and I would like to also thank all the youngsters who took part in Jallikattu today and give best wishes to everybody.
I have two things to ask. One is, some different political parties are alleging that Mr. Rahul Gandhi is utilizing this platform for the beginning of the campaign of upcoming election. Another one issue is, what is your reaction after coming from foreign that many thousands of lakhs of farmers are on streets from several days in Punjab border and the Delhi border?
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.